Okay, so now we try to apply whatever we learn onto this question here. Okay, so ensure the order form, customer name and telephone number is complete by using this function. Now, first thing we have to check is that, okay, example, alright, let's see, our form, okay, which is this two, they have got required fields. They are required fields. Okay, so we need to check the validity. So let's just minimize this. Okay, we can close this off for now. So when we click on the submit button, this is the behavior we wanted. The form will be checked against its constraints, and after it has been checked against its constraints, after it has checked that this is going to return true, then we can proceed on to getting the value and then evaluating the value. And upon evaluating the value, we can do some operations. We'll come to this one later, okay? But let's have a look at our question. So after we check the validity, if the total amount is greater than 0, then display a confirm dialog box. Okay. Confirm dialog box. Are you sure you want to submit the book order? David, your order has been successfully submitted. You may receive your order within 10 days. Or are you sure you want to cancel this order? So after this one has been popped up, if the user chooses OK, then this will be printed. Otherwise, if cancel, then are you sure you want to cancel this order? Right. Now, let's have a look at the instructions. Are you sure you want to submit this form, this order? Okay. If the user clicks on OK, then submit the data. Otherwise, display alert dialog box. Okay, print the order. If the user cancels it, remain on the same page. If the amount is not greater than 0, then display this message, right? So this is the series of instructions on clicking the form. Now the way we will do this is on the page load, we are going to execute this init function. And this is the body inside of init function, right? So after it has been initialized, this form, we want to assign a event handler on submit onto the form. Now there are several ways of you doing this. You can either do this, or you can target directly the form ID. Let's just have a look at the form ID. It comes with this book, right? Get element by ID. Oh, sorry. Either you use this or you use this, it works. Okay, but since our instruction there already mentioned that we have to use this document.forms0, the first form, we'll just stick with this. Okay, so if it has already been confirmed to be valid, alright, what happens? After it has been confirmed to be valid, then we proceed on to getting the amount. And if the amount is more than 0, okay, let's just evaluate this. If the amount is not equals, it is less than 0, or is 0, that means nothing has been selected. So total amount is invalid, and just return false to cancel the form. So once you return false, the form will not be submitted, right? Otherwise, if it's greater than 0, if you have selected something, the user has got some order already filled in, then there is a confirmation. Okay, are you sure you want to submit this order? and if let's say the user press OK, because this is a confirm, right? For confirm boxes, confirm pop-ups, you can choose either a positive OK or a negative cancel. So there are choices. So you can do this, and then once this result has been captured, you can do some evaluation. Are you sure you wanted to submit this? Yes. So once submitted, receive within 10 days, right? As according to here. Press OK, then submit the data, and print out, window.print. If they don't want, then perhaps what we want to do, let me just scroll down. Just pop another one out. Are you sure you want to cancel? Another round, confirm. Okay, and then you can store the result. So if cancel, perhaps what we can do is we reload the page, right? Window dot just see, huh? Reload. Yeah. Location.reload. So we can do this to refresh the page. If they don't want to cancel, then you can do a something like this. Okay, just stay on the page. So let's just try this. Okay, I'm going to refresh my page and submit the order. Okay, checking this. Fill these two in. If I don't fill this in, it will ask that question, telephone number, say something like this. Submit order is invalid. I need to select something. Otherwise it won't let me through. Just try this. Invalid. Okay. Push 1, some numbers there. Sure you want to submit? Cancel. Cancel. Okay, so let's just try submit the order. Press OK. What happens? You have submitted the order, receive within 10 days. Okay. Alright. Of course, this is not going to go anywhere. Just refresh this, put in some numbers, and fill this in. Submit order, cancel. So once you cancel, you will come to this section, another round of confirmation. Okay, if you wanted to cancel, yes, I wanted to cancel, then it will refresh the page. Oh, okay, perhaps this is not the best way to do this, because this is based on the file. But on the web page, if you are loading and running it on a local server, it should be fine. Okay. Let's just try the other one. Okay, submit. If I were to cancel, then I'll just stay on the page itself. It wouldn't reload. So those are the two options that you can do, right? So that will be in the response to the answering of this section of our question. Okay, right, thank you.